Okay, we're going to walk. He's still limping. I don't know if you can notice this. The way that he walks. It's like a little rabbit. But he's doing better. He needs also to lose some weight. Okay, we need to lose weight. I think he's getting better. I cannot force him to walk too much. Just a little. Tired? Okay. Okay. Oh, my baby boy. Like that beautiful doggy. A rain is coming. I hope I can finish this before the rain. It's not a lot, but I can feel the rain, so let's finish. Okay, we did before the rain. I still have a lot of leaves, but not so bad. Okay. I'm going. Don't cry. I think my garden is ready for winter now. Let's go. The rain is coming. It's very cloudy. Very, very cloudy. Look at this. I need to get my laundry. I know. You're missing your sister. I know. Everything will be okay. Don't worry. Okay? Everything will be okay. Mommy's here. Yeah? He's very mushy. He has this little cry from time to time. I know everything will be okay. Just give time. We will be good. There is all my laundry. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We have our pie there. Some stuff going here. Everything is getting ready. Let's look now. And hubby cooking more. My dinner is delicious. This is a pan, how do you call it? Coated cod, homemade tartar sauce, and asparagus. Oh my gosh, my brain. I think I'm just really tired. It tastes delicious. I just ate it's really hot. And this handmade tartar sauce is amazing. It's a very clean meal, but delicious. Goes good with my diet. Finish my dinner. I have to fold all this, and I got these things. Let me show you. Not like big things, but this is frosty. I don't know how it's getting the light here. It's a best. I think would be right size for him for the rain. Yeah, I think it's. Oh, that's a hoodie. We don't need the hoodie, but covered there, and it has that for if it's dark. This new raincoat, so cute. Then I got also, because my walking thing is too old, I decided to get a new one. This is more like the trainers have. But you put things here, and you put a thing in like a belt. You have to figure out. I don't know what is all this. Oh, you can carry also across your body, and you can put something here, You wanna sniff? So these two things are for Frosty. I was looking at a movie, and Doctor Who, and they have this Glenn Miller music going, and it was so beautiful. So I got one of these, and I got old swinging Little Christmas 27 jazz and R&B music. It sounds like really nice. Oh, it has Glenn Miller also, Jingle Balls. And sorry, my throat is really bothering me. This gift set that are for friends. Let's see, 2 friends. It comes with a mug, the straw, 2 soaps, I think is a card, and I don't want to mess up, a candle, so they can relax and have a nice Christmas. There is 2 of them. So that is what I got. And I will go now to, well, I will not go anywhere. I will fold my towels, maybe get a nice lemon tea for my throat, right? Yeah? Okay. And relax. Morning, happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving Day. We're getting ready. I got my, this is my house management planner, and I have for every season, I love to have some pictures and everything of my decoration. I'm going to do my table, but I think I will change my table this time. Let's see, I will see my tablecloths. Okay, I'm gonna go for these two, I think. Yeah, let's put music. I'll hear this one. This one. I came back to my trusty table setting just to remember. I need to take a picture of how I set this year, because I always have to come back and double check. This is such a helpful book. I know it's a very old, but it helps. And I didn't have in real any pictures of how I set the table for Thanksgiving, so I didn't use this tablecloth. I used the gold one. Let me show you. Okay, so we have already there. Have a space for the turkey. I have my tables, my forks, some of the for wine. I don't drink wine. And for tea later with the pumpkin pie. And this is a present from Tina for Heidi. So I wanted to keep here to this year with my autumn flowers in memory of Heidi. It's a gloomy day. Look at that. So gloomy. Yeah. Okay, let's go to do some more cleaning.